In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change margins in Microsoft Word. This is a simple yet essential skill that can make your documents look more professional and ensure that you meet any specific formatting requirements, whether for school, work, or personal projects. So, let's get started. Open up Microsoft Word with the document you want to adjust. It's important to note that changing the margins will affect the entire document, so make sure you're ready to make this alteration across all your pages, or that you're set to apply these changes later to specific sections if needed. Now, once you have your document open, look towards the top of your Word window and you'll see a series of tabs. Click on the one that says Layout. This section is where you can modify all your page layout settings to get the look and feel you want for your document. Clicking here will immediately give you access to a variety of options, specifically related to the layout and formatting of your pages. Next, direct your attention to the left side under the Layout tab, and you'll see the option labeled Margins. Go ahead and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear, presenting various predefined margin options. Each option here has been tailored for general use cases, so you might see options like Normal, Narrow, Moderate, Moderate, and Wide. The preset names are a good guide to understand the width of these margins at a glance and can be a quick way to select an option without needing to manually define the margin sizes yourself. If any of these preset options match your needs, simply click to select one, and your document will immediately adjust to that margin setting. This can be a quick and effective way to get the result you need without going into more detailed customization. However, if your document requires a specific margin setup that isn't offered in the presets, you can create a custom margin. At the bottom of the Margins drop-down menu, click on Custom Margins. This action will open a new window where you can manually set the exact measurements for the top, bottom, left, and right margins. Simply input the desired measurements into each respective field. Changing margins is easy if you follow these steps, making your document visually appealing and adhering to any guidelines required for your work or study. So, whether you're writing a report, a paper, or just about any document, having the right margin is crucial, and now you're ready to make those adjustments whenever needed. Don't forget to hit OK to apply these custom settings to your document. Your Word document is now ready with the updated margins of your choice. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.